Today's topic is pull less and bend more. It was a story of Aditya. He had nice job, nice car, nice hairstyle. Still, he was waiting. Cupid sought his arrow and find him the perfect partner. Guess what? It seems Cupid doesn't live in India. So he went to another angel, but all the answers. Guess what? Jeevansathi.com. And Jeevansathi.com says, when I am here, then what is the fear? And he asked the question, I can't find good girls. How will I ever marry? And and Jeevansathi.com said, no problem, we can fix it. So it offered to introduce him to some good girls, and soon arrangements were made for his meeting with the first prospect. Shindu, there she was, in a beautiful blue color dress. She looks like a star from Bollywood. And she looked at him like he was a Hollywood actor. Cupid sought his arrow and they fell in love with each other. Do you remember when you got into new relationship and what were you expecting? And he imagined spending his whole life holding her hands, listening to music and doing so in his car. Guess what? It's a dream, by the way. And few weeks later, they got married. On India's Independence Day, Aditya lost his independence. And few weeks later, they completed the 1 month of marriage. But then differences started. She liked the outdoors, he liked the indoors. She liked the cooking, and he liked to tell her how he missed his mama's cooking. She liked the swimming, but he feared drowning. They argued over big things or small things, even for nothing. Within 6 months, because he wasn't willing to change oneself and she wasn't willing to follow her ways. Within 6 months, they grew apart. And looking under one roof, there were two people living in solitude. No holding hands, no music, no Surya Namaskar, only silence. Number changed from favorite list to block list. And its time come like a trend, love at first sight and divorce at first fight. And looking for solution, he called his friend Rahul. And Rahul said, and Rahul just had his divorce and he was the expert. So Rahul said, man, life is too short. It is not for suffering. Separate life for enjoyment. No, Rahul, I just want to fix it. Yes, exactly. My lawyer will fix it. So he gave the number of lawyer. And so he called not the lawyer, but his mama. And next day, his mama speak both of them and said, dear Aditya, dear Shindu, you will never find partner who is 100% perfect. You fell in love because of Cupid's arrow, but what keeps in love is Cupid's bow. See, the bow and the string have a wonderful partnership with each other. The more the string pulls back, the more the mighty bow bends. Ego is what pulls the string, still the mighty bow bends because he cares for the partner. If you want to fix it, both of need to pull less and bend more. If you pull too hard, your relationship will break. When she pulls, you bend. When you pull, she bends. Have you seen anyone who pulls too hard? Have you pulled too hard? Since then, during argument, Aditya became more flexible. When she wanted to go outside, he joined her. When she wanted to do swimming, he joined her at the shallow end. And since then, he became nice, she became nicer. Soon, she started cooking better than his mama. In the search of perfect partners, Aditya discovered that perfect partners are those who keep perfecting their relationship by choosing pull less and bend more. Today, you can see problem in any relationship between families, between friends, between colleagues, between couples, and everyone. Today, it seems the world is getting apart, doesn't it? Still, you are all the sitting together, shoulder to shoulder, and getting along fine. No matter how much differences you have, still you are getting along fine. How is that possible? You all are proof that by choosing pull less and bend more, we can stay together. Last month, Aditya celebrated his 19th wedding anniversary. Yes, that's the same wife. And his mama is no more with them. But her words still rings in your ears. Pull less and bend more.